How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Oral-B not charging. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, to fix an Oral-B toothbrush that is not charging, the first thing that you want to do is to clean the metal contacts from the charger port. So to do this, you could just clean the bottom part, making sure that the charger is making contact with the metal pins on your toothbrush, making sure that it is working properly and they are connected together. So you could just try cleaning out the dust and debris within the toothbrush itself in order to fix this problem. So right after, we can basically just clean that with some isopropyl alcohol and then ensure that the socket is live. You want to test with different charger if possible and confirm that the toothbrush is not sitting on a metal surface. Basically, a full 24-hour charge is recommended for or deep charging and recharging can help reset the battery. What you can also try to do is to just drain out the battery itself. Hold down the power button to make sure that it's completely drained out of any electricity, and then it will try to reset itself. So you could just try to plug it back in on the charging port after making sure that once again it's drained out of electricity. And so after there, or from there, you are simply good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.